Performance management for many years has been about annual appraisals. The thing is with annual appraisals, a lot of the research that's come out over the last few years has shown that they don't actually improve performance, which at the end of the day should have been the whole point. So there's been a big revolution in performance management in terms of doing something differently that actually improves performance. So I guess one of the big trends is moving away from what's been seen as performance measurement towards performance improvement. So if our focus is becoming about performance improvement, then we need to do things differently. So research has shown the best ways of improving performance is not a once or twice a year meeting with a form attached to it. It's about having regular, meaningful conversations and giving people feedback as they go along. This has become particularly important with millennials entering the workplace. They expect feedback to be given straight away. They're not used to waiting weeks or even months to get feedback on how they're doing. So that's been one of the biggest change. I think a second change is that organizations have become more agile. So when it comes to objective setting, annual objectives are just not cutting it anymore. They get out of date by the time you get to talking about how well they've been achieved. So organizations are moving additionally towards a much more agile objective setting model. So setting objectives maybe on a quarterly or a nearer term basis.